Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. We are in a new location. You can't tell because I set up the studio the exact same way. But trust me, your favorite person, one of your top 20 favorite people bought a house. I bought a house and I've got a studio. Very good stuff going on right now. So let's continue the reviews. Today we've got the Poptel wireless earbuds. These are super cheap, super budget friendly. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so what we've got here is the earbuds. They're actually super simple. You don't need any knife or anything to open this thing up. You just open up the box and you take it out. So basically what you get in the box is you get the earbuds in their case, you get some extra earbuds, and you get the little owner's manual. This specific set of wireless earbuds does not come with the cable that you need to charge it. It is a USB-C type cable, which is becoming the standard, kind of like micro USB used to be. So if you have any kind of Android device, or actually a lot of devices use USB-C nowadays, you'll be able to charge it just fine. So like I said, what you get is you get the wireless earbuds in their case, and it does come with multiple bud sizes for people with different sized ears. If you got big old ear holes, then you'll be able to find something that'll work. You know, little bitty ones, you can do that too. So straight out of the box, you can see that it comes in a really nice matte black case. Matte black is very important. It keeps the fingerprint smudges off of there, and I can attest to it. It gets like no fingerprints on it, which is nice, and it's got a magnetic close on it. It's got a nice satisfying snap. I do like that. What you've got on the inside, you guys can't see it, but what you've got on the inside is a little LCD display that shows you what battery life you've got going on with the earbuds in the charging case, which is good. As soon as you take it out of the case, it's ready to pair. I don't want to pair it right now because we're using my phone to record. But what I'll do is, now that we've got it all set up, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and let my fiance pair to it and see how it fits. So the pairing process is super simple, guys. You just open these things up, you take them out, you put them in your ears, you go on your phone, you scroll down till you find the Bluetooth thing, you click on it or tap on it, and then boom, you're connected. It's that simple. And then when you do it in the future, it'll just auto connect. When you take them out of the thing, it'll connect right to your phone automatically. These things are great for activities, like if you're doing some running, some jogging, even if you wanted to do some gaming, stuff like that, because they do stay in your ears pretty well. They've got a nice snug fit, especially with the different size tips. What's nice about them is there is a very slight amount of water resistance, so if there's a little bit of sweat going on, you won't mess them up. I wouldn't dump water on it, especially in slow motion, because that would be bad. But, you know, normal, very, very minimal amount of water, it can handle. It takes about an hour and a half to charge. The earphones got little 40 milliamp hour batteries. Charging case has a 320 milliamp hour battery, so you get an extra couple charges when you pop it back in the case. The working distance is 10 meters, so I mean, these things will work for quite the distance. Again, if I didn't bring it up, they've got Bluetooth 5.0 for like the most recent up-to-date fast connectivity. It says on the box that they have a 12-hour battery life. Now that probably includes you wear it, it probably lasts like 3-4 hours or so. You put them back in, charges them back up, so you can get a total of 12 hours out of it. That is super nice. Now there are touch controls on the actual buds, which is super nice. So basically when you have them in your ears, you can tap. If you do a single tap, you get your play, pause, or answer and hang up a phone call. You do the double tap, you get to skip a song depending on which ear you do. You do the triple tap, that brings you to the previous song. A lot of really cool stuff, and if you hold it, it opens up whatever voice assistant you have on your phone. It's a super capable product, guys, and it's super cheap. I think it was somewhere around the $20 range for wireless earbuds. I mean, that's pretty much what you could expect. Sound quality is, I mean, it's what you would expect, but honestly better. What you would expect out of a $50 pair of earbuds. That's kind of what you get out of these in terms of sound quality. Not the best, but not bad. Not bad at all. But yeah, that's it, guys. The Poptel. If you want to get your own, I'll pop a link in the description like always. If you enjoyed the video and you want to give it a thumbs up, I won't stop you. If you like the video, you like the reviews, click the subscribe button right down here. If you did want to check out the last video I did, it's up there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be over there. Again, that might be the other way around. I don't remember. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.